So this is what winter is like in Canada, guys. Yeah, super cold. I can hardly feel my hands. Just to show you guys a little bit of what a snowstorm is. What's up YouTube, it's Raheem Young here with another one. In today's video, my Jamaican friends and I will be showing you guys what it's like in Canada when there's a snowstorm. This snowstorm is crazy. So many cars stuck. So much stuff going on. It's so bad outside. So I'm gonna go outside for the first time through that door to show you guys how the snow is here in Canada. Let's go. This is what I'm greeted with. A lot of snow. Look at the parking lot. Holy shit. Look behind me. All the cars are covered. Look at this. Look at that. There's so much snow. So many cars stuck today. Look at that. Look right behind me. So many cars stuck and can't move. What's winter like in Canada? Super cold, very windy, snow blizzards, snowstorms, stuck in traffic, stuck in the snow. When I moved to Canada from Jamaica, I was ready for cold weather and snow, but I wasn't prepared for a natural disaster from the Frozen movie. Seriously guys, it's not even frozen cold, it's the Chronicles of Narnia type of winter here. Hard to explain guys. Zero visibility outside, it's snowing hard and fast, traffic is blocked, and since my city is not prepared for such an unusual weather, 40 centimeters of snow, I guess it's unusual circumstances even for native Canadians. So that bus is stuck right there. Look at it, the bus can't move. A lot of people have to be walking on the streets. Yeah, really bad today. I can hardly feel my hand. My hands are literally frozen after going outside. I can hardly feel my hands to even open the door.
Holy heap of snow. We need some Jamaican sunshine right now. You know what I mean? Yeah man. Lord of bag on foot. You know what I mean? We do this because we don't want any snow to catch our socks, you know, so that detrimental, you know what I mean? Yeah man.
I called 3 of my friends from different parts of the city and they got the same situation there. Poor fellas have to spend half an hour every day just to clean snow off their cars, just so they can go get something to eat, go to the grocery store, or go to work.
Moses passed the Red Sea. I wonder if I can use this brush and command to part the White Sea right now, because all I can see is white. Even for sporting purposes, I'd rather play football, soccer, according to these people, than ice hockey. No, because guess what? There's a serious balls freeze going on right now too, eh? Yeah, it's no joke thing, it's no fun thing. Yeah, here's the other part to the story. If you're a family man like myself, the responsibilities of cleaning the car doesn't just stop at yours. I have to make sure the lady's car is okay, so when she's ready to leave tomorrow with the kids, she's not wasting her time trying to clean snow off her car. So guess what? I'm a man up. Hey.
I don't know what we have to do for it, you know? Yeah man, after us, a snow, yeah man, we have to do. We have to clean up car and all this bullshit, you know? We know we go. We are sure now how it is, you know, after a snow here in Canada, you know what I mean? Yeah man, look there. Yeah man.
I try to find the positives in everything, but I'm yet to discover what are the positives of living in ice cold place like Canada, where we get 40 centimeters of snow in one day, where schools are cancelled, daycares are cancelled. Guess what? Nah, it's not worth it.
Yeah, man. Living in Canada, you know, deal with all seasons in Canada. You get to see summer, spring, autumn, and winter. This is winter. It's important if you buy a vehicle to drive in a winter, like not even just snow tire, but like vehicle where built for them shit there, you understand? You understand? Buy some vehicle where you click all this up them like so. And they go in that mode there. See that mode there? Yeah.
Prince, you alright? Sit, boy. Everybody's still a snow. This is the day after the big snowfall. Okay.
The level of snow is as high as my car, even higher than my car at times. Lots of cars got buried that were parked outside. So guys, if you're coming from a warm, sunny country like I did, be prepared for such natural disasters from time to time.
So after the snowfall and the snow starting to melt, it's really dirty. It's have a dirty, mucky look. Yeah man, the place get really mucky when the snow is melting. There's another car stuck right there. It's really, really bad today. Really, really bad. I can hardly feel my hands. Yeah, I have to walk Prince right now. Prince? Come Prince? Come Prince? Prince, you're cold? Gotta go inside now, boy. So that's the tractor that cleans up the snow. Yeah, he's cleaning the sidewalk right now. He's the one that cleaned everything right there. Everything all the way. Yeah. At least the sun is out. It's about whether the sun is finally out. Hi, come here. Give daddy hugs. You wanna go on the slide?
Don't worry about me though. I'll enjoy building snow castles and playing in the snow with my daughter because she loves it.
Good girl. Driving. Come down the slide now. Come. What are you trying to do, Mama? Is it too high?
Thanks for watching, guys. Do remember to subscribe to stay connected with my YouTube family. Remember to share this video with your family and friends. And like this video so more people can see it. Thank you. I'll see you in the next one.